Hi all, I'm Priyadarshini. Today I'm coming with another interesting recipe using our Navaginio. Come, let's get started. So today you're going to see a Zafrani Pulao, which is a kid special recipe. I've taken 20 high today. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of butter, whole garam masalas, some nuts, close the lid. Now switch on the Navaginio at the highest level, level 6. Set the audio thumb in the roasting window. Let's wait until it reaches the roasting window. You can see I've connected my mobile app as well. So once it has reached the roasting window, we'll add the rest of the ingredients. Now you can see it has reached the roasting window. So I'm going to reduce it to levels 2 and switch off the audio thumb. Now I have milk with saffron, half a cup. So I have soaked rice here, so I'm going to add the rice. I have taken 1 cup of rice, so already I added half a cup of saffron milk, so 1.5 cup of water. Add a teaspoon of sugar and required amount of salt. Now I have taken 20 centimeters a quick lid. So lock the lid and now switch on the Navaginio into automatic mode, A mode. Now set the audio thumb in the soft window for about 1 minute. You can see there is a blue signal here. It means it is getting connected and the cooking is going through. Now you can see the cooking is completed, so I'm switching off the audio thumb. I'm switching off the Navaginio. So now we will wait until the pressure is depressurized and then we'll open the lid. Now you can see the pressure has released, so I'm going to open. So our Zafrani Pulao is ready.